In this video I just want to show you a product review or unboxing of this electronic kitchen scale. Now this is what it looks like, this is how it arrives. Shows some details there on the back about it, maximum weight, etc. It's even got a thermometer built into it, and it takes 2 AAA batteries. Care instructions and further things there. So let's open it and show you what it looks like inside. So in the box we've got this. 2-year guarantee, warranty. You've obviously got to register for that and something about joining the club. So anyway, let's open this scales and see what it looks like inside. It comes packed like that. Take the bag off, and inside we've got this. I've previously opened it, obviously. I always check them first. It's a nice stainless steel bowl, lightweight, and then this comes packaged like this. So I'll just hold it there for when it comes out. It's obviously just for transportation purposes. Let's pop that aside, and there you go. You can see the front, what it looks like. Looks very stylish, doesn't it? I pop that down, and that then goes on the top. So I'll show you. It's a little lip that holds it like that. So I'll just take that off, and we've got an on-off button here, look. It's very stylish too, isn't it? It's obviously calibrating now, I'm holding it, so I don't know if it'll struggle with that. You see there. It's 19 degrees in here at the minute. So if I put it down, put that on, that weighs 212 grams. So you can see there, 212 grams. Now over on the left hand side here, I think there's the 0 button. So that zeros it. It takes account of that. So if we then put, I don't know, a pair of glasses in there. It's telling us the glasses weigh 25, 26 grams. And you can obviously change from grams, the units here on the left hand side. Various things. So the instructions will tell you all about that. But anyway, as for the first look, it seems very nice. We just bought it off the internet for our own personal use. We don't get any product things off people for free. If it's crap, I'm going to tell you. And so far, it seems okay. What it's like in a year's time, who knows. A battery compartment at the bottom there. See the bottom there. 2 AAAs. So anyway, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you hate the video, give it a thumbs down. And just turn that off. And you can store it like that. Or, as I've done, or we've done, I've kept the packaging, turn it off, pop it in, and it'll go in your cupboard nicely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, look out for my next video, which will be an Orkington CD player, MP3 player, DAB radio, etc. Thank you, bye bye.